The Honourable MP Ms. Agatha Sangma recently reviewed the progress of roads on the NH-51 Interstate Roads, the PMGSY and all blocks in a meeting with officials of the NHIDCL, PWD and District Administration. The North Tura MLA Mr. Thomas Sangma and Salsila MLA Ms. Ferline Sangma were also present at the meeting. Ms. Sangma impressed upon the NHIDCL contractor the need to ensure that the Joragre Chitoktak length of the road be completed as soon as possible, while the entire Tura Dalu road is to be maintained during the rainy season. She then directed PWD officials to repair the Garo Badha Rajabala road and AMPT road, especially since the rainy season has started, further deteriorating the road. In a few blocks like Rongram, Tikrikila and Dalu PMGSY road, she noted that the progress has been slower than expected, which needs to be looked into. Contractors need to be issued show cause notice for delay in completing their work. Mrs. Sangma re-allotted many works due to lack of progress.